For moving on to Construction Firm of the Year, which TPA is sponsoring, I'd like to invite up Krzysztof Kaczmarek to give this award away. Krzysztof, come join us to hand out this award.
And in this category, you have 3 nominees. On the shortlist, we have Aldesa, CFE Poland, and Kajima Poland.
So it actually is a little bit shorter than most of our lists.
Exactly. 3 nominees in this category. And who is the winner?
Well, we're going to find out very soon.
Yeah.
Krzysztof, welcome to the stage, and thank you for sponsoring this award and supporting the event. And winning last award.
Hello, everybody. It's my pleasure to announce that the winner of this category is CFE Poland.
Look, and please feel free to say a few words. We let you keep it so you can look at it later as well.
Yeah. So good evening. I would like to thank, of course, our clients, yes, and especially our retail clients. Atrium Real Estate, Rockcastle, Carrefour, thank you a lot. Thank also for the people of CFE Polska, who every day work hard, yes, and especially the physical workers. They work day and night to refurbish this shopping centers, yes, so thank you a lot. Thank you.
Thank you and
congratulations again, and come join us for a photo here.